Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Sarab and today we are going to deep dive into a PostgreSQL Now function and uncover its many use cases and functionalities. Today we are going to cover the following topics. First we will know what is a Now function, then we will understand how to use a Now function to compute the current time step and insert it into a table. Then at the end we will know how to use a Now function to compute the time difference. So let's get started. To begin, let's understand the basic syntax of now function in PostgreSQL. It's a built-in function that retrieves the current date and time from the server system clock. Here is an example how to use it. As you can see, a simple select now statement will return the current timestamp. This format includes the date, time, and even a milliseconds and a time zone information. Now let's explore some practical example how we can leverage the now function. One common use case is storing the timestamp of an event. Here we have a table name orders with column, order ID, customer ID, and timestamp. To store the current timestamp in the timestamp column, we can use the insert into statement with the now function. When we execute this query, PostgreSQL automatically retrieves the current timestamp using a now function and insert it into the timestamp column. This allows us to keep a track of when the order was placed. As you can see, the timestamp is stored accurately in the timestamp column. Another useful application of the now function is calculating the time differences. Let's say we have a table named login history with the columns like user ID and login time and logout time. We want to determine the duration of each user session. To accomplish this, we can subtract the login time from the logout time using the minus operator. By executing this query, we obtain the session duration for each user. As you can see, PostgreSQL calculates the time difference and presents it in clear and understandable format. Additionally, the now function can be used for filtering records based on date and time, generating time series data, and even tracking query execution time. These possibilities are truly endless. I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial on PostgreSQL now function. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.